So question number 1. A builder has entered into agreement to sell a flat. So this is agreement for sale and the carpet area is 1900 square feet. Price of the flat is 42 lakh including prime location charges is 2 lakh. Whether 2 lakh should be included or excluded for GST is it should be included. So should you consider it as 40 lakh or 42 lakh? 42 lakh. Why? Prime location charges also to be considered. Charges for covered parking 1,25,000. Whether it has to be added? Yes. So 42 lakh plus 1,25,000 is to be added. So what is the total amount? 43,25,000. So on this 43,25,000, 6% is CGST, 6% is SGST. Now, what is the total amount? On this total amount, apply 6% that is SGST and the next 6% is CGST. Total liability is 5,19,000. Now, why are you applying GST on the same and is it liable for GST? The answer is given here. The builder received part payment before construction. So, if you are receiving the part payment before construction, GST is applicable. If you are receiving the complete payment after the completion of the building, then it becomes a sale, completed sale, and GST will not be applicable. The reason why GST applicable is builder received part payment before construction and therefore GST is applicable on this transaction. So, on 43,25,000, the total 12% would amount to 5,19,000. So, SGST is 259,500, CGST is 259,500. Question number 2. ABC Private Limited provides related information to information technology software. Understand that there is a clear distinction given between services and goods. So, we have to find out whether it is a service or not. Development and design of software is a service. Sale of prepackaged software is also service. So, what is this? It is supply of service and not supply of goods. Now, development and design is 15 lakh. Is it subjected to GST? Yes. Now, sale of prepackaged software is 52 lakh. Is it subjected to GST? Yes. Now, 52 plus 15 is 67 lakh. On 67 lakh, apply 18%. So, you get CGST 6 lakh, 6.03 and SGST 6.03 lakhs. Question number 3. Calculate the taxable service from the following. So, advertisement through hoardings. Now, on this entire transaction, you have been given the rate. The rate assumed is 18%, CGST 9 and SGST 9%. Advertisement through hoardings is 1 lakh. So, what is this? Advertisement through hoardings. Now, is it taxable or exempted? Yes, it is very much taxable. Now, on 1 lakh, if you apply 18%, you would get CGST as 9,000, SGST as another 9,000. So, this is a taxable transaction. Next, performance of folk dance artist. So, let me give you a very example as to why it has been exempted. There is a list of services which are coming under exemption by the government and government want to promote folk dance. Therefore, performance of a folk dance artist is exempted. Let me be very clear, this is folk dance, not any western dance or classic dance. Because this is folk dance, this is exempted. So, 80,000 is exempted. Now, hotel room tariff at 2,500 per room. So, this is completely taxable. The per day the room charge is 2,500. Total amount is 1,50,000. Is it taxable? Very much taxable. So, on 1,50,000, totally it is applicable is 18%, 13,500 CGST, 13,500 SGST. Next point, rent received for residential dwelling used as residence per month 20,000. See, per month it is 20,000, but still the purpose is for residential dwelling. Only commercial dwellings are taxable, residential dwellings are non-taxable, exempted. Therefore, 20,000 is exempted. Next, received from outdoor catering is 1,50,000. Is it taxable? Very much. 18% on 1,50,000 and you have CGST 9%, SGST 9%. So, 13,500, 13,500. Then, received by a professional training center. They are not actually schools or colleges. It is a professional training center, therefore it is taxable. So 1,80,000 into 8%, 18% of which CGST is 9, SGST is 9, so it is 16,200, 16,200. Then next, received from service by way of transportation of passengers by inland waterways. Now, transportation through inland waterways is completely exempted as per government exemption. Therefore, 50,000 is exempted. Now, advertisement through hoardings is taxable. Performance of folk dance artist is exempted. Hotel room tariff taxable. Residential dwelling exempted. Outdoor touring taxable. Professional training center taxable. Inland waterways exempted. So, what is the total liability? 9,000 plus 13,500 plus 13,500 plus 16,200. So, it amounts to 52,200 CGST, 52,200 SGST. Next question. Mrs. Super Agro Limited furnishes the following information. So, what is this? First, plantation of tea and coffee. It is 2,60,000. So, let me be very clear. This is not taxable because tea and coffee are agriculture product. Therefore, this is plantation of tea and coffee, 2,60,000 is non-taxable. Reason is agriculture product. Now, processing of tomato ketchup. Now, from tomato, they are making a value addition called tomato ketchup. So, processing of tomatoes ketchup is taxable because it is not processing of tomato, it is processing of a tomato product. It is further processing. So, it is very much taxable. So, 2,10,000 is taxable. Similarly, potato chips, processing of potato chips is also taxable because it is a further processing. So, 2,10,000 is taxable. Next one, sale of rice. Here, it is put up in unit container and bearing a registered brand names. Sale of loose rice. Okay, so you are getting in loose packets, then it is not taxable because it is agriculture product. Yes, but however, the rice is put in a container and they have put a brand name. The moment you put a brand name, it becomes taxable. So, 2,50,000 is taxable. Rearing of silkworm and horticulture, it is once again a agriculture related activity, so non-taxable. Next, rent of vacant land for various ceremonies. For ceremonies, they have given the land for rent. It is taxable. Had the vacant land been given for agriculture, it would have been exempt. So, vacant land for various ceremony is once again taxable. Then, sale of wheat, it is agriculture product other than unit container and registered name, which means it is loose rice. If it is loose rice, it is non-taxable. Then next, rent of agro machinery, the machinery for the purpose of agriculture. Renting of agriculture machine is exempt. So, plantation of tea and coffee, non-taxable, agriculture product. Tomato ketchup, further processing, therefore taxable. Rice, it is payable because registered brand name. Silkworm and horticulture, it is nil because agriculture. Vacant land for various ceremony other than agriculture purpose. Sale of wheat is nil, not taxable. Agro machinery is nil. Renting of agriculture machinery is exempt. So, this is how the tax liability is being determined.